Hello, good morning to all. We seen transportation, communication, and trade. In previous lecture, we seen railways, railway zones, then railway track, that is gauge, broad gauge, meter gauge, and narrow gauge. After that, road, national highways. Okay, so national highways, you know very well. The national highways, the central government is responsible for the national highways, its development and maintenance. So the Border Road Organization BRO is a road construction executive force integral to the support to army. Okay, it started operation in May 1960. The BRO is started with the took up the construction of maintenance road. The border areas thought Border Road Development Board BRDO. All these things we seen in my last lecture. Okay, now chart of national highways. Chart of national highways, that is NH1, NH2, NH3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9, 15. Then 22, 24, 29, 39, 44, 47, 48, 49, 50, 55, 80, 102, 2005. These are the NH uh, highways in our country. So first we see the chart of national highways, that NH1 means Delhi, Ambala, Amritsar, Indo-Pak border. Distance is 5046 kilometer. So boys, try to note down NH1, that is Delhi, Ambala, Amritsar, Indo-Pak border. Distance 546 kilometer. हॅलो, सगळ्यांना आवाज येतोय ना? Okay. So NH4, that is sorry, NH1, that is Delhi to Ambala, Amritsar, Indo-Pak border, 546 kilometer. Second, NH2. मला कोण सांगू शकेल NH2 कुठं आहे, काय कुणाला माहिती आहे का? कुणाला आपल्या नॅशनल हायवेज बद्दल काय माहिती असेल तर सांगायला हरकत नाही. NH2 सांगू शकता? So NH2 also Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Varanasi, Kolkata. NH2, that is Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Varanasi, Kolkata. Distance 1490 kilometers. 1490 kilometers. Then NH3, Agra, Gwalior, Indore, Nasik, Mumbai. 10 मिनिटं थांबणार साहेब. NH3, that is Agra, Gwalior, Indore, Nasik, Mumbai. 1161 kilometer. NH3 Agra, Gwalior, Indore, Nasik, Mumbai. 1161 kilometer. NH4 junction with NH3. NH4, that is junction with NH3 near Thane, Belgaum, Bangalore, Ranipet, Chennai. Distance 1235 kilometer. NH4, NH4, that is junction with NH3 near Thane, Belgaum, Bangalore, Ranipet, Chennai. 1235 kilometer. After that, NH7, that is Varanasi, Jabalpur, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Madurai, Kanyakumari. That is distance is 2369 kilometer. Varanasi, Jabalpur, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Madurai, Kanyakumari. That is 2369 kilometer. NH7, that is Varanasi, Jabalpur, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Madurai, Kanyakumari. Distance is 2369 kilometer. NH8, Delhi, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Mumbai. NH8, Delhi, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Mumbai. Distance 1428 kilometer. 1428 kilometer. NH9, that is Pune, Solapur, Hyderabad, Vijayawada. Pune, Solapur, Hyderabad, Vijayawada. That is 791 kilometer. 791 kilometer. NH15, NH15, Patankot, Amritsar, Batinda, Ganga Nagar, Jamsal, Kandala. Distance 1526 kilometer. NH15, NH15, Patankot, Amritsar, Batinda, Ganganagar, Khandala. that is 1526 kilometer. NH22 Ambala Kalka Simla Rampur Indo-Tibet China border near Sipkila Sipkila, that is 459 kilometer. 459 kilometer. NH22, so yeah, NH22, that is. There's NH24 Delhi Bareilly Lucknow. Delhi Bareilly Lucknow 4038 kilometer. 4038 kilometers. NH39 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 Numalgarh Imphal Palel Indo-Myanmar border. Numaligarh Imphal Palel Indo-Myanmar border. 4436 4000 sorry 436, not 1000, 436. NH44 Shillong Pasi Badarpur, not Badrapur, Badarpur Agartala 495 kilometer. NH47 Salem Coimbatore Chittoor Ernakulam Thiruvananthapuram Kanyakumari 640 kilometer. Salem Coimbatore Chittoor Ernakulam Thiruvananthapuram Kanyakumari. NH48, that is Bangalore Hassan Mangalore 328 kilometers. Bangalore Hassan Mangalore Bangalore Hassan Mangalore 328 kilometers. Then NH49 Kochi Madurai Dhanushkodi बघा NH49, that is Kochi Madurai Dhanushkodi 440 kilometer. NH50 Nasik to Pune 211 kilometer. Nasik to Pune 211 kilometer. NH55 Siliguri to Darjeeling 77 किलोमीटर. मला वाटते सगळ्यात लहान हायवे कुठला असेल तर सिलिगुरी टू दार्जिलिंग. NH80 मकामह टू फरक्का मकामह टू फरक्का 310 kilometers. NH102, that is Chapra to Muzaffarpur Chapra Muzaffarpur. NH205 Anandpur to Chennai 442 kilometer. 442. 442 kilometers. Okay. So boys, these are the chart of national highways. In detail आपण पाहिलं की NH1 NH2 असेल, त्यांचं डिस्टन्स आणि त्यांचा रूट आपण पाहिलेला आहे. थोडं तुम्हाला बुकचा वापर करावा लागेल, वाचावं लागेल, लक्षात ठेवावं लागेल. नुसतं मी सांगून ते लगेच लक्षात राहील असं मला वाटत नाही, कारण भरपूर ठिकाणांची नावं आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. पण तुम्ही वाचलात, लक्षात ठेवलात तर. आवाज येतोय कुणाचा तरी. ओके. तर आफ्टर दॅट waterways. So waterways, you know very well, shipping plays an important role in the transport sector of India's economy. Approximately 95% of the country's trade volume is moved, in brackets 68 in terms of value, by sea. Means approximately 95 of the country's trade volume is moved by sea. This is very important thing. Then India has one of the largest merchant shipping fleet among the developing countries and ranks 16th among the countries with the largest cargo carrying fleet. So waterways are very important, boys. Waterways are very important. So India has one of the largest merchant shipping fleet among the developing countries and ranks 16th among the countries with the largest cargo carrying fleet. Okay, at the rank of 16th. India has long coastlines spanning 7,516 kilometers. Sorry, 17 kilometer. India has long coastal lines spanning 7,517 kilometer, forming one of the biggest peninsular in the world. It is serviced by 13 major part, 12 government and 1 corporate. बघा, मीन्स जो इंडियाचा कोस्टलाईन आहे ती जवळपास 7,517 किलोमीटर असून द बिगेस्ट पेनिन्सुलर इन द वर्ल्ड. इट इज serviced by 13 major part, that is 12 government and 1 corporate. Then 187 notified minor and intermediate port. 187 notified minor and intermediate port. The last addition to major port is Port Blair on June 2010, the 13th port in the country. Okay, the one additional is there, that is Port Blair on June 2010, that is 13th port in the country. Okay. Then major port handle over the 74 of all cargo traffic. Some 60% of the India's container traffic is handled by the Mumbai port and Jawaharlal Nehru port in Navi Mumbai. So major port handle over the 74 all cargo traffic. Some 60% means around 60% of the uh, cargo traffic is handled by the major port. India's container traffic is handled by the Mumbai port and the Nehru, means Jawaharlal Nehru port in Navi Mumbai. So remaining part we will see in a next lecture. Okay, some part is okay. One part we will take. After that we will start a new means new information of that. That inland water transport. Okay, inland water transport. The small part is there. We will conduct here. So India has over 14,500 kilometer of navigable waterways. Inland transport means अंतर्देशीय water transport. Okay, अंतर्देशीय. Inland water transport, India has over 14,500 kilometer of navigable waterways. Considering the inherent advantages of inland water transport, IWT made namely fuel efficiency, environment friendliness. It is a cheap art means of the transport. Inland Waterways Authority of IWAL was set up in 1886 for regulation and development of inland waterways of purpose of shipping and navigation. Okay, see what inland water transport, it has over 14,500 kilometer navigable waterways are there. Then considering the inherent advantages of inland water transport, that is IWT means inland water transport. Main namely fuel efficiency, environmental friendliness, these are the benefits. It is cheap art means of the transport, you know very well. Then Inland Waterways Authority of India was set up in 1886. कधी start झालेला आहे 1886 for regulation and development of inland waterways for the purpose of shipping and navigation. That is inland water transport. Then following waterways has so far been declared as a national waterways. आज भरपूर वॉटरवेज आहेत पण त्यातले नॅशनल वॉटरवेज जे डिक्लेअर केलेले आहेत ते मी तुम्हाला सांगतोय. बघा अलाहाबाद हालिंडा स्ट्रेच ऑफ द गंगा Bhagirathi Hooghly river system, that is NW1 in 1986. बघा फक्त कानावर पडून दे, पुन्हा तुम्ही बघा किंवा लिहून घेता आलं तर लिहून घ्या. अलाहाबाद हल्दिया stretch of the Ganga, then Bhagirathi Hooghly river system, the first waterway. Second, Sadia Dubri Brahmaputra river in 1988, Brahmaputra river. Third, Kotakpuram Kollam stretch of West Coast Canal along with the Samapkara Canal and Udyog Mandal Canal in 1993. बघा Kotakpuram Kollam stretch of West Coast Canal along with the Samapkara Canal and Udyog Mandal Canal in 1993. Then Kakinda Pondicherry stretch of canal and Kalu Reli Kalu Tank stretch of river Godavari and Krishna, that is 2008. Kakinda Pondicherry stretch of canal of Kalu Tank stretch of river Godavari and Krishna. Last one, that is Talcher Dharma stretch of river Brahmahi Gonkhali Charbatiya stretch of east-west canal Mahanadi Delta river system, that is 2008. So these are the ways of national waterways in inland water transport. So boys, today we've seen the chart of national highways, then waterways, and the famous or national waterways. These are five, that Allahabad, Sadia, Kottapuram, Kakinda, Talcher, Dharma stretch of river Brahmahi. Okay, so read more and more, take information from Google, also use book and do your GK study. If you have any difficulties, ask me. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a nice day. Thank you.